Hello and welcome back to another gas walkthrough. Today we're looking at the 1st of June's Squishy Save by Philip Newman. Philip's one of us here at Gas HQ, so my name is Bill Murphy. G'day, how you doing? I'm gonna blast through this one because my girlfriend's playing VR in the other room. I've set her up doing VR for the first time in her life and she's having an absolute blast. And it's incredibly funny. Nobody ever looks good using a VR headset. But yeah, we're Gas, genuinely approachable Sudoku. We create, set, and solve genuinely approachable Sudoku for you, the person reading this. You will find the link to today's puzzle in the description down below. You will also find hat times. 2 hats for a very fast time, 1 hat is for a pretty fast time, and everyone gets Dinosaur because we love you all equally. That being said, let's get into it. Now, this is weird. So, normal Squishdoku rules apply. So, it is not put the digits 1 to 9 in each box, each row, and each column. What it is, however, is place a digit 1 to 9 in each cell. Digits in each row, column, and 3x3 region cannot repeat. But the regions actually look like this today. So the digits indicate the boundaries of regions, and if there's a dashed line, it means that that cell is in all of those regions. Something like that. So all of these are regions. Makes sense? I hope it does. Because I'm about to solve it. Pray for mojo. Yeah, so all of these are unique regions. Cool, makes sense, good. I did use the same colors there, but they're not different. Anyway, that being said, let's get into it. So, in the center unit, where does 3 go? 3 must go here. 3 must go here. Now, where does 4 go in this one? 4 has to go there. Where does 2 go in this one? For safety's sake, I'm just going to call them box, even though they're not really boxes. Alright, 3 has to go in this one somewhere, so 3 has to go there, because that 3 sees all of those cells, and that 3 sees that one. Similarly, where does 3 go in this one? 3 has to go there. Is that every 3 for the whole grid? Yes, it is. Alright, now, what else do I know? Can I do something interesting with 4s? Sort of. I know 4 has to go in one of those 2 cells. Yeah, that's about it. Oh no, 4 can't go in that cell, because that sees that 4, so that's a 4 there. I'm guessing, because I have a sneaking suspicion this puzzle is fairly symmetrical. Where does 2 go in the center region? 2 can't go in those 2 cells, can't go in that one, so 2 has to go in one of those 2, but we've got a 2 there, so that rules it out of that, so that's a 2. Now, this is 6, 7, but 6 here tells us which way around that goes, so this is 1, 5, 9. 1 can't go there, 5 can't go there, that can't be 9. Now, this is 1, 5, and 8. 8 can't go in that cell, so this is now an 8. And 9 has to go there, so this is now 1, 5, and 6. Take the 5 out, take the 1 out. Alright, now, 6, 7, 9 across the bottom. This cell sees both 7 and 9, so this is a 6. That's a 7 and a 9. Probably same thing up here, yeah. This cell sees 6 and 8, so this is a 9. 6, 8 there. Alright, now. 4, 6, 7, 8 to go in the top left box. This sees 4, 7, and 6, so this cell must be an 8, which makes that a 6, and this is an 8. 1, 5, 6. Now, what is, oh good lord, 2, 8, and 9 mean that has to be a naked single 7, which makes this a 9, this a 7, this is a 5, this is a 1, this is a 9. 6, 7, 4. 7 has to go there, and 5 there. Now, last few digits. 8 there, 2 there, 9 there, 8 there, and 1 there. This has been Squishy Save by Philip Newman. Yeah, it's a pretty quick one today. It's just an extra region Sudoku, but there's no extra regions. There's just some overlaps. But my name is still Bill Murphy. This has been Squishy Saved by Philip Newman. I'll see you next time. Bye.